5 investments that can make you rich. Everyone wants to make money, but not everyone knows how or where to invest. Some of the most successful investors became wealthy by investing in assets that may seem surprising. Here are 5 investments that can make you rich. Number 1. Real estate. Real estate is one of the most popular and potentially profitable investments. It can provide a steady stream of income through rental properties and can appreciate in value over time. The best part about real estate is that it's tangible. You can see and touch it. So if you're looking for a solid investment, consider real estate. Number 2. Stocks. Stocks can be a great way to build wealth over time. By investing in stocks, you're essentially buying a small piece of ownership in a company. As the company grows and becomes more valuable, so does your investment. However, it's important to do your research and only invest in companies that you believe in long-term. Short-term, stock prices can be unpredictable and influenced by various factors. So it's crucial to have a long-term perspective when it comes to investing in stocks. Number 3. Bonds. Bonds are another popular investment option that can provide a steady income stream. When you buy a bond, you're essentially lending money to a government or corporation in exchange for regular interest payments. While bonds typically offer lower returns compared to stocks, they are considered less risky and can be a good addition to a well-balanced portfolio. Number 4. Gold and silver. Gold and silver have been prized possessions throughout history and are still considered valuable assets today. They can be purchased in various forms, including physical bullion or coins or through ETFs and mutual funds. These precious metals can provide a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty, making them an attractive investment option for many. Number 5. Cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies have gained popularity in recent years and offer a potentially high-return investment opportunity. These digital currencies use cryptography for security and operate independently of central banks and governments. While cryptocurrencies are highly volatile and risky, they have the potential to grow in value significantly. If you're considering investing in cryptocurrencies, it's essential to do your research, invest responsibly, and be prepared for potential market fluctuations. There you have it. 5 investments that can make you rich. Whether you're interested in real estate, stocks, bonds, gold, silver, or cryptocurrencies, there are various options to explore and potentially grow your wealth. Remember to do your research, diversify your investments, and consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. With the right investment strategy, you can pave the way to financial success and build long-term wealth.